Welcome to the Beginner's Meditation. Before we begin, I'd like you to find a quiet, comfortable spot where you will not be disturbed for the next few minutes. You can choose to sit on a chair upright or even sit on the floor with your back supported as feels natural to you. The practice is simple. We will use our breath to anchor our mind and help our body to relax. Meditation is not about stopping your thoughts. It's about observing them with kindness and letting them pass. With a regular practice of just a few minutes a day, meditation can really help reduce stress, improve focus, and bring a deeper sense of calm and clarity. So settle in, close your eyes if that feels comfortable, and let's begin.
Before we begin, let's take a moment to get comfortable. You might choose to sit in a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground, or perhaps cross-legged on a cushioned seat. Allow your back to be straight but not stiff. Rest your hands on your thighs or in your lap, palms facing up or down as feels natural to you. When you feel ready, softly close your eyes, and with your eyes closed, begin to notice the space around you. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw loosen, and your facial muscles relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting the air fill your chest and belly. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's take 2 more breaths together like this. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Once more, a deep, full breath in and out. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. As you sit here, bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to change or to control it. Just notice it. Feel the air moving in through your nose, down into your lungs, and back out again. Observe the rhythm. Each breath is an anchor, keeping you present in this very moment. You might notice thoughts or distractions arising, and that's completely natural. Imagine these thoughts as leaves floating on a stream. Watch them pass by without judgment or resistance. If your mind wanders, gently guide your focus back to the sensation of your breath. Let's deepen this connection to the present moment. Shift your awareness now to your body. Notice the points of contact. Your feet touching the ground. The weight of your body pressing into the chair or cushion. The gentle rise and fall of your chest while breathing. Feel the stillness within you, even as the world moves around you. Now bring your attention to the sounds around you. Notice them without labeling or attaching meaning. Perhaps there's a hum of activity in the distance, or the soft rustle of your clothing. Let these sounds blend into the background as you return your focus back to your breath. If it helps, silently repeat a grounding phrase with each breath. As you inhale, think, I am here. As you exhale, think, I am calm. Inhale, I am here. Exhale, I am calm. Allow these words to soothe and steady you. Let's sit with this rhythm for a few more moments. When you feel ready, begin to imagine a warm, gentle light radiating from your heart center. With every inhale, this light grows brighter, filling your chest. With every exhale, it spreads outward, creating a space of peace and calm within you. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the present space. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders gently or stretch your body if that feels good. Notice the sensations in your body and the sounds in the room. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel. Even this short practice is a meaningful step towards greater mindfulness and balance in your life. Thank yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to meditating with you again soon. Remember, every time you pause to reconnect with your breath, you are strengthening your ability to find calm in the chaos. See you soon.